Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Beabadoobee. You just have to love that name. Dreamy, Doobie-doo, no, Beabadoobee. She's been with us before here on this channel, Growing Guitar, and yes, she's back again with a great song actually. I love this song. All I Did Was Dream of You with the Marias. We're gonna play this very simple capo second, just 4 different chords, and yeah, pretty straightforward. Let's go into it. So we're gonna learn the chords first. We're gonna start with the E. All right, so that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Next chord is the G major 7 sus2, a long, difficult technical name, but this is how you play it. Third E, and then with that finger, usually I play that with my mid finger, I mute the next string, which is the A. I just leaned on top of it. You can go with the open A as well, but I think it sounds better with the muted A. And then you continue with the open D, open G, third B, and second E. Alright, so that's the G. We have the C major 7, third A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally we have the A sus 2, and that goes open A, second D, second G, open B, and open E. We're gonna handle this with a straight 4 down strumming. So if you grab this E chord, you're gonna play like this. Okay, and notice I separate where I play on the strings. So on the third down out of this 4, I play on the higher strings. So I really get the bottom down there. And all the other downs I play in the bass mid area. So it will be bass, bass, top, bass. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So with that, we can start the song in the first verse. It goes E, 4 string rounds, then the G, 4, C major 4, and back to G4. That is 1 chord progression round, play for 2 times, and that's the first verse. Let's do 1 round together. That first G sounded crazy. I'm very happy we got back to that G. Sounds better, but I think you understand that's 1 round. You gotta play it for twice, and that's the first verse. All right, now into the pre-chorus. It starts about 1 minute and 2 seconds in, and I want it all the time. Okay, that's where on the lyrics. And what you're gonna play here is just to continue that strumming for C 2 times, then A sus 2 times, E 2, and back to G2, and that will be 1 chord progression round. So C, A, E, G, 2 rounds of that, 2 string rounds per chord. Sounds like this. Right, so there you have the pre-chorus, and the beautiful thing about this is that the chorus is played in the exact same way. It starts about 1 minute and 25 seconds. Stay, stay, just leave. That's where the lyrics. And like I said, 2 rounds of the exact same playing as pre-chorus, and that is the first chorus. Okay, that's the first round of everything. And guess what, guys? Everything repeats itself in the second round. 2 rounds of that verse play, and then you're going to play the second pre-chorus in the same way, the second chorus in the same way, and the last round there, the outro, we're going to play like kind of a plucking string. You're going to play the same chords from E to the G to the C, and that will be the end. Just pick strings from those chords from the verse play End with that C plucking, and that is how it ended, guy. All I did was Dream of You from Beabadoobee. A nice song, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was helpful, and if it was, then I appreciate some love back. So you know how, and I hope to see you soon. Next time, play tuned.